How to post photos on Pinterest. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to post photos on Pinterest. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Pinterest app itself, please visit your App Store or your Play Store and check if your Pinterest is up to date. If it shows an update button, just tap on that so that you will have the latest features in the app, especially the feature of being able to post a photo or a pin on your Pinterest account. Once you have made sure that your Pinterest is up to date, just head on and open Pinterest right here. And if you're currently at your home page or from any other page, just tap on your profile icon at this part of the screen. It should be beside the messages usually. And that should open up your profile, and you should see your saved boards or your saved pins right at your profile. And to post photos on your Pinterest, just click on the plus button right here. You should be at the saved tab as well. So just tap on saved if you are still not here. Just tap on the plus button and click on create pin. So click on pin. And it should immediately show your camera roll or all your photos from your camera roll. You can also take a picture or browse a photo from the internet. So you just select that photo you want from your camera roll or by taking a picture, and once you have selected your photo, just click on next over here at the top right corner, and then you can give your pin a title, or you can give that certain photo a title. So I'm just gonna name it iPhone Blue. You can also add in a description so you can say more about this pin or the photo you want to post on Pinterest. So I'm just gonna type in wallpaper, and you can also add in a destination website and add a link that you'd like to redirect if a certain person wants to know more about the photo that you like to post on Pinterest. You can also add in an alt text to describe your pin's visual details. So once you have set all that up, just click on the next option at the top right corner, and you can also save it to a certain board you have. So you can also just opt to quick save and organize later. So I'm just going to click on profile over here, and so that has been added to your pins as well. And once you reload the page under the created tab, you should also see the photo that you just uploaded on Pinterest. So that is how you can basically post photos on Pinterest. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.